Historiana is made by and for educators. It's an initiative of Euroclio, the European Association of History Educators. It was developed, we started the development in 2007 because we wanted to promote history that is transnational and multi-perspective. We saw the need for putting national history in its historical context, to look at history from different angles, and to give voice to people who are normally underrepresented in the historical record. And there are a lot of people on our network who want to teach history in this way. But it's hard to find the resources that are ready to use. There are issues with language, there are copyright issues, and sometimes the textbooks that are there are not offering this. So what we want to do is to offer alternatives to complementary materials. With Historiana, we want to help those educators from our network to access resources that help them to teach students in a way that is meaningful and motivating for them. We want to make sure that history is relevant and that they also enjoy learning it. So on Historiana, you can find several activities, ready-to-use activities. You can find sources that are selected for use for their usability in history education. And you can also find variety of viewpoints on issues that students can discuss. The development is always done as part of a collaborative process. We work with educators from all over Europe, so always different countries are represented. And the process includes peer review and piloting. The quality is ensured by practicing teachers and trained historians. Because Historiana is so relevant for our mission, we will continue to develop it. At the moment, I'm actually speaking from the annual conference in Bologna. We exist for 30 years, and we are going to be there many years more. So that also means we have an opportunity to improve. And we don't have a commercial interest. We just want to make history education better. And for that, we need to do that with the community. So if you're an educator and you want to help, let us know what we can improve. And also let us know if you can contribute.